Alright, so I ordered these for my truck. I have a 94 Chevy C2500. Ordered these from the same guy on eBay. Name's Auga or something like that. Same guy, so you think they'd be exactly the same, but they're not. You can tell right here. And by the texture, this one's a little more rugged. This one's a little smoother. This one also has black silicone sealant, and this one has gray. So there's also, well, they're both made in Taiwan. This one has a bunch of lettering and stuff. This one has just L, and this is right. RH, L on this one. Okay, I noticed there are some holes that need to get sealed on both of these. Kind of like the Corvette ones I had for the corner lights. I filled those in with epoxy. That right there, right over here. You don't want any moisture getting in, because then moisture gets in, it's going to fog up the inside, which could affect the clarity of the light by other vehicles. Alright, so what I'm going to do with these, okay, looks like I don't have to worry about just pulling the plastic off. Looks like this comes off, the black piece around this comes off as well. So I'm probably going to just pull off the whole thing. I've seen videos on the internet where you can just, even Diodynamics or something like that. I'm subscribed to them, so they do a lot of LEDs and headlights and stuff like that. So I want to say you can basically just put this in the oven on a pan, make sure there's nothing connected to it or anything, light bulbs are out, set it in there. I'm going to take this plastic off too. A few minutes, loosen up the sealant, pull it off. I'm going to remove the sealant since they're not even same color. Not that it really matters, but I want to actually, okay, the inside's chrome. I don't know if you can see that. I want to go over that with, I forget what company makes the spray paint, but it's called Shadow. It's basically like a black chrome. So it's still going to be shiny, but it's just going to be blacked out. And where I'm at, to my knowledge, that's the only legal way to black out your headlights or whatever lights you want to black out, is by doing it to the interior and not the exterior. But then again, any mods to your vehicle is basically a reason to pull you over, in hopes that they can pull off a larger ticket or imprisonment or whatever. I don't do anything illegal, so we'll have at it. Let's see. Yeah, this texture is way different. And you think it'd be the exact same. Like, you can tell from the top, this one's got, oh, this is the bottom. Okay, no, it's the same, both sides. This one has one, this one has two. I'm gonna have to look at the stock ones I have before I swap them out, because those are like super foggy, so that's why I'm swapping them out. That's why I got these. Alright, well, keep you guys updated on these, and I have some other videos I haven't posted to public, but they're on YouTube, so I'll get around to putting those on. Alright, thanks for watching.